And maybe hers too, if the thing she was clinging to was indeed a life. Seraphina couldn't help but smile, relieved that they'd both made it. She gazed was pouring over the spillway high above her, coming down in a great waterfall into the creek.
Great bird that
As
drinks
she
from a
turned back toward
straw.
Braden, a flash of lightning struck the sky with a piercing crack of thunder. Braden tightened his jaw, wiped his wet hair out of his eyes, and got up onto his feet. Whatever he was doing, it was clear.
It's like, how do you people do it? What's going
He
on in
knelt
here?
down on the rocks at the edge of the storm flowing creek.
This is how you do
In
it.
the box.
A little fluid.
But the moment he opened it, she could see something extremely black inside. She stepped back in uncertainty. Braden pulled out a long black garment. Fine
Make sure
black
to leave a
wool on the
comment down below
outside and
what
an
you
inner
think
lining
about
of black
this.
satin.
He wants
A
more.
sickening feeling gripped Seraphina's stomach and twisted hard. She could see that the garment had been badly
Yum,
torn.
yum.
Many parts were nearly shredded.
Sorry,
as
that's
if
okay.
by
He
the
doesn't
claws
really
of
get
a wild
anything in there.
beast.
Bring that back.
A blinding glare of white light glinted on the garment's small silver clasp as a lightning bolt burned up the sky. Her palms started sweating. Her lips tightened. He gathered the garment in his hands.
How do you
It
people
began to
do it?
writhe and rattle like a living snake. A smoky cloud began to hiss out from it, as if it was annoyed that it had been closed in the box so long. Then, with the rain pouring down all around him,
Drink again,
and the lightning
Sarah.
flashing in the sky behind him, Braden stood, and with a great sweep of fabric roiling around his Chapter 16.
All right.
Seraphina watched in dread. She could see that the cloak had been badly torn, but it was still the black cloak she feared and hated. Its dark, slithering folds hung down from Braden's shoulders, an impenetrable darkness blacker than she had ever seen. No, that was wrong. She had seen it. It was the same black as the black shapes she'd seen floating in the forest. Whenever Braden moved, the cloak's fabric moved with him, and the terrible black shape came reeling outward into the world around him, tearing through time and space. The cloak threw these torn fragments of roiling, inky black shadow in all directions, blotting out the ground and the leaves, nothing but fear and confusion filling her heart. I'm not going to hurt you, child, the cloak hissed. Months before, she and Braden had seen the cloak's evil with their own eyes. It had body and soul deep into the black void of its inner folds. Her mother had been imprisoned in the cloak for 12 years until Seraphina cut it to pieces on the